Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a custom GIF. So let's get started. We're going to grab a free video that we'll need to create the GIF from a site called Pexels. After you are done watching, look for a link in the description under this video. When we get to the Pexels site, we need to enter a keyword into the search bar. For example, if we type in the word kittens, we can bring up all different videos about kittens. For today's GIF, we're looking for a horizontal video. We can scroll down until we find one that we like. Notice as you hover over the images, they will start playing to give you a preview of each video clip. When you find one that you like, you can click on the button to download it to your computer. Even though the video is free, you can choose to donate to the creator. We're going to skip that for this video. Now we can click to open the video and check it out in a bigger format. Looks great. This one will be perfect for our project today. Now let's jump over to Canva to create our GIF. After Canva loads, we can click on the upper right side, we can click on the button labeled Create a Design. In the search bar that pops up, we want to type in the word video. You want to click on Video in the drop-down. Now you will see a horizontal video template load on your screen. This template works best for a GIF with a horizontal layout. On the left side, we want to click on the button labeled Uploads, so we can upload our kitten video to Canva. Then we will click on the purple button labeled Upload Media. If we go to Downloads on our computer, we can find the kitten video we just downloaded from Pexels. We can double-click on that or click Open to upload it to Canva. As the video's loading, you'll see the progress bar underneath. When the progress bar disappears, you can click on the video to insert it into your template. Now you can click on the opposite corners and drag them so the video will fill in the template. Next, we can click the play button to make sure the video loaded correctly. Looks great, but this video is too long for a GIF at almost 8 seconds long. So we're going to pause the video and click on the timer in the upper left of the template. And adjust the time to 3.0 seconds and then hit enter. I like to make my GIFs about 3 seconds in length. The video will keep looping so we can check that it's the right look for our GIF. Looks good, so let's pause the video. To make our GIF interesting, we're going to add some of our own text. On the left side, click the button labeled Text to see our choices. If we click on the button labeled Add a Heading, we can add some basic text to the GIF. Then we can replace the text that's in the box with whatever we want to say on the GIF. For example, let's type in, "I love kittens." We can grab the text box and basically put it anywhere we want on the GIF. By grabbing any corner of the text box, we can resize it to a size that looks good. If we highlight the text in the box and click the text color button that's above the screen, we can make the text any color we like. Let's try this turquoise color and see how it looks. If we don't like the way that this text looks on this background, we can get rid of it and start over. Clicking the undo button on the upper left will undo all of our steps one by one until the text is gone. Now we can pick out something that will stand out a little better on this background. Let's try this neon pink text. Again, we can resize the text. We can change the size of the text box to fit more letters. We can replace the text with our own text. We're going to make our text read, "I love kittens." Again. And we can put it anywhere we want it on the GIF. That's the beauty of Canva's editor. It's so easy to adjust things exactly the way you want them. Let's click on the button above the template labeled Animate. This will bring up new options on the left side. If we click on the video to deactivate the text box, we can add animation to the video itself. Notice as you hover over the new buttons on the left, it will give you an idea of the animation that each button creates. Notice how the text stays stationary as the video in the background is animated. Now if we click back on the text box and hover again over the buttons, we will see that the text is animated now and not the video. I like the typewriter animation, so I'm going to click it. Sometimes the typewriter animation looks better when the text goes top to bottom. So I'm going back into the text box and rearrange it. This way it will read top to bottom like we want. I'll bring it down to the lower right-hand corner of the GIF. If I hover over the button marked typewriter again, I can view how the animation looks in the new position. Now that I've got the layout I want, I can click on the Play button to the lower left under the template. This will give me a preview of how the finished GIF will look. I like the way this GIF looks, so let's download it. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the button labeled Share. When the menu box opens, click on the button marked Download. Because this is a video, it will automatically want to download it as an MP4. So we need to click on the arrow. And in the drop-down we need to select GIF on the bottom. Then we simply click on the download button. A box will pop open while it's downloading. We don't need to do anything with that. When the file is finished downloading, just click on any whitespace to get rid of that box. Now we can click on the bottom to open the file and preview our work. I think that looks great. Mission accomplished. We're working on a PC, so we'll right-click on the GIF to save it wherever we want on our computer. You can leave the Canva title or rename it before you save it. Next time you're on social media or sending an email, you can just add or attach it like you would an image. What GIFs will you create now? Practice and have fun with your new skill. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.